Welcome! Today we'll explore passive verb forms and how they enhance your writing and speaking by shifting focus in your sentences. Let's dive in and unlock the power of passive voice. In English, sentences can be constructed in two main voices, active and passive. Understanding the distinction between these two voices helps us communicate more effectively, depending on what we want to emphasize in our sentences. In an active voice sentence, the subject performs the action. The focus is on who is doing something. Example, the sentence is, Alan Turing invented the digital computer. The subject is, Alan Turing, the doer. The verb is, invented, the action. The object is, the digital computer, the thing affected by the action. In this example, it's clear that Alan Turing is responsible for the invention. In a passive voice sentence, the subject receives the action. The focus shifts from the doer to what happened to the subject. Example, the sentence is, digital computers were invented in 1936. The subject is, digital computers, the recipient of the action. The verb is, were invented, the action in passive form. Here, we emphasize the digital computers rather than Alan Turing, shifting the focus to the event itself. To construct a passive sentence, follow these steps. Identify the object of the active sentence. This will become the subject of the passive sentence. Use the appropriate form of to be based on the tense of the active sentence. Add the past participle of the main verb. Optionally, include the original subject at the end of the sentence, introduced by. Different tenses require different forms of to be. Present simple, active, they build houses. Passive, houses are built by them. Past simple, active, they completed the project. Passive, the project was completed by them. Future, simple, active, they will write the report. Passive, the report will be written by them. The passive voice is particularly useful in several scenarios. Unknown. Doer. When the doer is unknown or unimportant, focus on action or result. When the action or result is more important than who performed it. Formal or objective. Tone. In academic or formal writing, the passive voice can create a more objective tone. In summary, passive verb forms shift sentence focus. Mastering both voices enhances your writing and speaking, making communication clearer and more versatile.